ऑटो 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 सिक्योरिटी हटो लाइट मारो हम लोग भी इधर रुके ना रोहित सर पानी में आगे से हटो यार आप लोग सर आप भी आए ना अरे आगे मांडवी मांडवी सामने सर लेफ्ट साइड में देखिए सर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर सर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर
Sorry, a little taller actually. How are you, sir? Please. And now a gentleman who I've known for a very long period of time. He's got the best sense of humor that I've ever seen. Baman sir, please do come on stage. Yes, sir. Okay. A gentleman जिनकी बेटी को हम लोग ने देख के बहुत enjoy किया. What a actress recently. And perhaps the one person who's, well, sort of had a monopoly over comedy for 10,000 years. The biggest fan, Johnny sir, please do come on stage. सर सोलो पिक्चर तो दे दो सर, शर्माओ मत, हल्का हल्का. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. और अब एक ऐसे जनाब जिनकी हर बार जब मैं गाल देखता हूं तो ऐसे बड़ा खींचने का मन करता है मेरे को. वरुण, please do come on stage. शर्मा, not धवन. Hello, sir. नहीं, एक तो करना पड़ेगा. Thank you, Varun. Serious लग रहे हो सर आप? All okay? Okay. Before I call the lady, I would like to also call on stage a gentleman who I'm very shocked to see in a suit today. Pritam Da. सर आइए सर स्टेज पर. प्रीतम दा के लिए तालियां. Now, as we're running out of space, the gentlemen need to adjust because we're in Mumbai. Half step that side. Perfect. And then I would like to call this gorgeous lady. She's very, very tall. Kriti, do come on stage. A big round of applause for her as well. Couple of solos. Just to the right, center and left. Center and now left. Thank you. Okay. And the gentleman is looking smashing in a white suit. I like calling him gentleman. I pretty much seen him grow up in front of me. Superstar Varun Dhawan, come on stage. Varun, come for a few solos. In the bit. We start with right first. Right first. Center. And then to the left. Okay, back to the center and we're done. Thank you. And a lady who, well, she just looks more beautiful with every passing year. I'm a big fan of just her laughter, her acting. Incomparable. Ladies and gentlemen, Kajol. Little bit, yeah. To the right, center, left will be a little over the shoulder, but yeah, little to the left. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now for this next introduction, I've decided to have a bit of a samjhauta. Varun, since you wanted to do this, it's over to you. Though I would have hated, I'm hating you right now, actually I would have wanted to do myself, but yeah.
I'll get you some mutton later on. But anyway, this man is very special to all of us on the stage. The producer of this film, one of the best actors we have in our country, the living legend, the king of hearts, the king of kings, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan!
Should I?
Thank you, Saral. Thank you very much for calling us on stage. Thank you, everyone, for waiting so patiently. Thank you, everyone who's here. This has been a long stint. We've been working for about 150, 160 days, and we're still working. But this is one of the best evenings, not only for all the actors and everyone involved in it, but there's so many people involved in making a big film. I think it's a big, big moment for us, very nerve-wracking, and I hope you enjoy what you see. And the reason you will enjoy is only one, because this film is made by the one and only. Please welcome on stage Mr. Rohit Shetty.
And now let's have some group photographs. Can I just direct you all to the right, everyone, please? To the right first. To the right, everyone to the right, please. And 3, 2, 1. To the center, please, everyone. To the center. And now to the left, please, everyone. And back to the center, and then we're done. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you. And of course, since everybody's here, there's going to be a large... We could actually cut the music now, it would be nice. Thank you very much. Okay, so what we're going to do is, thoda kasht lena padega, and you all will have to walk off stage while we introduce this fantastic trailer. Shahrukh sir, do you want to say something 2 seconds before the trailer is launched?
On behalf of everyone, first of all, I'd like to thank Rohit Shetty Productions for making this film possible, Red Chillies for coming along, and everyone who's involved with this film. Rohit and myself, we are we're just working kind of people, so this is awkward for us. We are very nervous, each one of us on stage and off stage, to present to you the first time, because after today this film won't belong to us. So I hope you like it and keep it with love. So thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Rohit, for making this. Thank you.
Varun sir, Johnny sir, Baman sir, Kabir sir.
Audio.
We have a large family, ladies and gentlemen. And I would like a big round of applause. Did you all like the trailer? A big round of applause for the trailer. So, before I come into them, audio kahan nahi aa raha hai? Mera to bilkul aa raha hai. Baman sir, we'll start with you. There's a frown on your face. Everything okay, sir? I haven't seen you for a long time. You're back with Shahrukh sir. And this time you're not punching him, or it's just a very cordial relationship. But there's a lot of punching that is going on in the film also, lots of fighting. It's beautiful, it's huge, I love it. So, just a couple of words on your experience. Just a minute, sir. This beautiful lady is on her way.
So your question was, why am I not punching Shahrukh?
No, I said this time you're not punching Shahrukh, but...
मेरे दिन भर गए, मैं पागल हो गया. No, I think that Shahrukh just one day met me at a function and he held me by the neck and gave me a kiss on the cheek and said, "You're doing the next film." So there are no arguments when that happens. Also, he said that, I'll become lonely now that we both go to the 50 club. So ये सब बाकी सब, they're all youngsters, so we need company. So Shahrukh and I love you, my friend. You're the greatest. You are the greatest. Thank you so much for having me in your film. Thank you.
Humble as ever, Baman sir. Right. Right next to him. Varun, my friend, this is fantastic. You know, I'm so happy to see you being catapulted into this superstardom big league. Because when you're doing a film with Shah Rukh sir, it is like that. Are you nervous with the release?
Not at all.
Huh?
No, I'm just.
At least behave a little bit nervous. It's a really big deal.
No, it's just been a beautiful experience, and I think, of course, for any actor, it's a dream, to share screen space with Shah Rukh sir, Kajol ma'am, in Rohit sir's film. So, in just a line, I think I'm just living my dream. I've just lived it throughout.
That's fake humility.
हाँ अभी थोड़ी असली बात हो जाए. हाँ क्या
असली
बोलना था?
बात तो ये है कि पीछे बोल रहा था I am तो good in the film. मुझे आपका पता नहीं है, but I am तो cute in the film. तो सामने से it's all like, oh, I'm so happy to be here. And they are such great people. And, we are so cool. And I am just so small and humble. And then पीछे तो I am तो cool, Baba. That started. That's happening.
So Varun, how are you in the film? Tell us.
I think I'm cute in the film.
चलो granted 10 on 10 मिल गया. जॉनी सर आपकी बेटी की एक्टिंग करती है सर, कमाल है. जस्ट कंप्लीट पैच ऑन यू. आई लव यू. आई लव्ड योर डॉटर एज वेल आल्सो. सर बताइए ये पूरा कास्ट ऐसा लग रहा है वन बिग हैप्पी फैमिली. बहुत बुरा लग रहा है मेरे को कि मैं सिर्फ एक रात के लिए आपकी इस फैमिली का एक हिस्सा बनाऊं. बट कैसे रहा पूरा एक्सपीरियंस सर?
बहुत बढ़िया. मैं यही कहूँगा कि मेरी कुछ अच्छी फिल्मों में से एक बेहतरीन फिल्म ये है दिलवाले, जिसमें बेहतरीन मेरा रोल है. जो ट्रेलर में है ये कुछ भी नहीं है. आगे जो आएंगे मेरे ख्याल मेरे कुछ सीन्स के बारे में मुझसे अच्छा काजोल कह सकती है. बता
एक्चुअली जॉनी भाई के साथ काम करने में इतना मजा आया हमको. वी ऑल फॉलन डाउन लाफिंग लिटरली. आई मीन जो कॉमेडी वो ऑन स्क्रीन करते हैं, ऑफ स्क्रीन उससे कई ज्यादा करते हैं. और शूटिंग करते वक्त भी हमने वी हैव एक्चुअली अगर आप आउटटेक्स देखेंगे, so there are a lot of outtakes, let me put it that way.
बट वो रोलिंग क्रेडिट्स में आएगा ना. we'll ask रोहित सर about that.
Yeah.
अगर आएगा कि नहीं. प्रीतम सर, so good to see you. I have to share this story and then I'm going to ask you the question. So प्रीतम सर, I've never seen in a suit. He said 4 बार मैंने लाइफ में सूट पहना है और रास्ते में वो सूट खरीद के आए थे. सर दिस इज अ लाई. हाउ कैन अ सूट फिट यू सो परफेक्टली? आज तक मेरे को ये शर्ट और पैंट फिट नहीं आई है परफेक्टली सर.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं यूज्ड टू नो सूट पहनना.
अच्छा.
बट
अंडर प्रेशर बिकॉज ऑफ शाहरुख सर.
लेकिन he's blow dried his hair and come today.
नहीं, ब्लो ड्राई नहीं,
Just wash.
Natural. It's natural.
Sir, but you're back to giving all the super hit numbers that you want. कई बार अपने आप की सक्सेस से आप बोर हो जाते हो क्या? Do you feel under pressure because of your own success?
No, इस टाइम तो it's a extremely special because the first time I'm actually working in a film with him in it, and I've been always wanting, and whenever I've met SRK, I've told him that sir, I want to be at least scoring before I get away, like at score one.
Get away? Where are you going, sir?
Whenever.
No, please.
Himalayas. जटे तो आ गई already.
So this is very special for me because this is the first time I'm doing a movie with. I did Billu Baba, but you were just one.
Billu sir, the barber was cut.
But Billu mein Shah sir only had a special appearance, but here and doing a romantic song for both of them is, I think, is a blessing for any music director because I'm happy and. I think I'm blessed that I've got to do 2 romantic songs, which is.
Chalo, one French plat now.
And beyond a doubt, you would have done complete justice to it. This lady in the middle, my God, how beautiful are you looking there? Can you please tell us a beauty regime, Kriti? I really want to know. कितनी बार आप दिन में फेस वॉश करते हैं दिन में? कितनी बार आप ये? How can you look so beautiful on
Are
screen?
you seriously going to ask me all these questions here?
No, because the rest of the film questions they'll ask. No,
फिल्म के बारे में
वो तो ये पूछेंगे. I'm here to just to do the comic relief.
I'll tell you our exercise regime.
Asha, please, we would
Our
like-
exercise regime is to squat with everybody around because she's so tall कि हम सबको मतलब बहुत लंबी हील्स पहननी पड़ती है.
इन्होंने कोई heel नहीं पहनी है, देखा है.
Basically we made sure that wherever she is in the shot she's squatting. तो ये exercise regime है. That's why she's so fit and thin in the film.
I'm very scared to ask you anything.
Why do you think I'll tell the truth?
No. because I'm enjoying this so much also. So now this.
Don't ask me a question.
No, I will.
think
Because
it's better.
listen, this pairing is legendary, and it's very rare that we say that A to people who are still
Legendary.
acting. I see,
बस,
I'm suddenly made
खत्म हो
sound very
गई.
old.
खत्म हो गई.
नहीं, but सुनो, ये बहुत ही amazing. So, what is it about you and Shahrukh that the button just comes on? I mean, when you're on front of the screen, how does it just suddenly come on?
Buttons come off, man.
I put myself into that, didn't I, sir? So does the switch just come on? Let's put it that way.
I honestly think it's also because we don't take ourselves that seriously as you seem to do. I really think that. I think that it's just that we just have fun and we work well together. We're good friends, and I think that's what comes across. Honestly, what do you have to say?
Yes, we are good friends.
We're just good friends.
Kabir sir, can we just hear your voice?
Of course you can.
There we go.
For me, it's just such a privilege being in a Rohit Shetty film that reunites Shah Rukh and Kajol with such a fabulous gathering of actors and cast and talent. And I also want to acknowledge Vinod Khanna's presence in this film, because Vinod and I, we are the root problem of this film. We are the root problem. So Vinod couldn't be here today, but I'm very grateful to be paired against him after a long time. And we began our career many years ago with a film called Kache Dhage. And we've been acting against each other since then. But what a joy to be in this film. What a great team. And I hope you all absolutely enjoy it in the screens as much as I enjoyed shooting it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What a presence you have. Right. Sir, आप silent मत रहिए नवाब जी. Your muscles have just remained as the same as the last 15 years.
Yes, kind of showed a lot of muscles. I had a great time in Bulgaria. There was a
Yeah.
lot of action sequence. I was lucky to do a lot of action there.
Yeah.
Chasing Khan Saab all over Sofia. So that was a great schedule. Yeah.
Chasing
Sofia is a place in Bulgaria.
The Khans
Otherwise you will कल आ जाएगा एक और हीरोइन है Sofia.
Khans are fighting for Sofia.
So I had a great time. Did a lot of action. And I was lucky enough to be even in the other part of the film, which is 15 years later. So I had that little change in that. So I had a great time. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
I'll come to you, sir. It pains me, sir, sometimes to see your films. Look at the cars, sir. What are you doing to all the cars?
Leave that to them. The first question is कि इतनी गाड़ी क्यों उड़ाते हो?
Okay, so I'll leave the cars part. But listen, I've seen you got this really nice car. I've seen your car. I've trailed you one day just to see if it was you. Do you respect your own cars as much?
Yes, obviously.
Yes.
I do. And this is also respect. This is love.
I don't want to know your definition of love
It's a
with
passionate love. You always
Passionate
destroy
love.
the things you love.
is only. But you know, otherwise, you also have this fantastic tag. When actors have their tags of how many millions of crores they've made, you come with that tag also. The thousands of crores that your films have made also. So how do you
How
handle
many
that? I know-
thousands of crores has he blown up? How about that?
But you're always very calm and cool, like, हाँ ठीक है यार, बन गया तो बन गया, and it's made money. But so somewhere along the line, do you ever celebrate the success? Is there like, yes, I made the 500 crores? Do you ever feel like that?
Not really. Actually, they always tell me कि आप ऐसे क्यों? आपको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है फिल्म बन गई या फिल्म इतनी हिट हो गई या whatever जो पहले भी हुई है. It's just that I love working and I just thank God and the audience that everything what I'm doing is working. That's
And the
all.
hair is not going to come back.
I'm loving it. I'm continuing my father's legacy, so I'm happy with it.
And now, for the young white and shining, or rather knight in white shining armor, Varun, you have rocked it, and now this is it. It's Shah Rukh sir and you're coming in there. It's almost like your opening. It's like the opening act.
You know, it's this is a really crazy moment, I think, for me. Maybe you can call it